So, good morning to everyone. Today, my topic of presentation is Indian cuisine. From the subject of Introduction to Indian Cookery. So, before the starting the presentation, anyone knows about Indian cuisine? कोई बताना चाहेगा? साहिल चौहान.
Yes, sir.
You know about Indian cuisine?
ग्रेवीज वगैरह इंडियन कुजीन में ज्यादा मेन
Okay.
और सर ग्रेवीज ट्रेडिशन
Yes.
कल्चर
Yes.
सर इतना ही पता अभी
Good.
स्पाइसेस मेन आर आल्सो
बिल्कुल. अक्षित कटारिया.
हाँ जी सर.
Tell me something about Indian cuisine.
यही स्पाइसेस हो गया और ट्रेडिशन फूड हो गया और ट्रेडिशनल डिशेस आ गई बीच में. यही सर जो साहिल ने बताया थोड़ा वही है.
उसमें कुछ ऐड करना चाहो?
ऐड सर फिलहाल तो सर यही बता भी.
Okay, good. चलो हम आगे पीपीटी पे पढ़ें. So we
Yes,
are
sir.
starting with, we have a vast Indian cuisine. Okay. So first one is introduction. Indian cuisine has been influenced by a 5,000-year history of various groups, cultures, interrelating with subcontinent, leading to the estimate of flavors, regional cuisine found in modern day India. Indian can be crowded with 60-carat diamond in the world's flavored cuisine ring. Okay, so Indian cuisine have a vast cuisine. They have a more than 22 to 23 cuisines. Okay, so in this cuisine we include the methods of cooking, some methods of cooking. We use the spices used in the cooking. Okay, then we use the art of plating. Then we use the accompaniments giving with the food, the fast food, Indian breakfast. Okay, so Indian breakfast is most common in every country of the world. The huge variety of dishes, appetizers, snacks, side dishes, and desserts have originated several fans on an international scale as an Indian restaurant feast at an incredible rate with an gigantic success in every conceivable culture and in every possible corner of the world. Okay, so in the whole world, we do have Indian restaurants where they serve the Indian cuisines. Okay, so most the popular thing is Indian snacks and Indian breakfast. So There are many things which include in Indian breakfast, like puri chana, puri aloo, parathas, different various types of parathas, idli, sambar, dosa, okay, upma, ठीक है, उसल पाव, मिसल पाव, ठीक है. There are huge varieties of Indian breakfast, ठीक है. Most of the states, Indian states have their own specialties in the breakfast. We do have the North Indian cuisine, the East Indian cuisine, the South Indian cuisine, okay, and the Western Indian cuisine. In the North Indian cuisines, the region includes Banaras, Kashmir, Mughlai, Punjab, and Rajasthan. In the South Indian cuisines, the region includes Andhra, Kannada, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. The East Indian cuisines region includes Assami and Bengali, and the Western Indian cuisines, the region includes Maharashtra and Balwani. So, in the North Indian cuisine, that is in Punjab, there are several use of spices. Okay. In the Rajasthan cuisine, there are several use of desi ghee and the red chili. Okay, so in Kashmir, there are huge use of uh, chili, and the dishes are popular. Mutton rogan josh. Okay, different types of biryanis. ठीक है. In Mughlai cuisine is a very rich cuisine. It includes the different types of biryanis, the different types of desserts. Okay, and if we talk about South Indian cuisines, there are many dishes starting from idli sambar, okay, upma, dosa, ठीक है. So in the Western Indian cuisines, which includes Maharashtrian cuisine, that is vada pav, which is famous in the Mumbai, then dhokla in Gujarat, ठीक है. So in Maharashtra, Kolhapuri cuisine is very famous. Okay. So please answer this poll. It is a multiple choice question.
हम लोग भी उसी ऊपर संतरा
नीतीश कुमार श्रीवास्तव, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. So all answers are correct, but some students didn't give the tick to the all answers. Please be alert. Okay, and read carefully the questions and give the proper answers. So now, as the most of the northern part of India is generally rural, even though it comprises large cities such as Delhi or Calcutta. Consequently, it is a cuisine is more agriculture than anything, as we know, wheat being a primary essential of this region's dishes. Southern regions who have a tendency to be more interesting, more spicier in their dishes, and rice is continual ingredient in their food. To get more taste from their main dishes, mostly North Indians use onions and coriander at the same time as Southerns use a more exotic coconut base for their dishes. So in the North Indian cuisines, we do use onion, okay, and coriander leaves for our dishes to give a better taste. Okay, so in the North Indian cuisine, the base of the dish is coconut. Okay, so in the Western cuisine, Western Kolhapuri cuisine, the also base is coconut. ठीक है, like the कोल्हापुरी चिकन, कोल्हापुरी मटन, ठीक है, तो उसमें उसका बेस क्या होगा, कोकोनट. Okay, so in the Delhi, Delhi is a capital of India. So in the Delhi, there are number of restaurants, in thousands the number of restaurants who serve all cuisines of India. ठीक है, तो दिल्ली में you may got अमृतसरी कुलचा, भटूरे छोले, पूरी चना, लिट्टी चोखा, डोसा, इडली, सांबर, appam, okay, pyazam, every dish which are served in the India, which are from India, they serve in the you will get in the New Delhi. Okay, there are many dishes, many restaurants situated in the New Delhi. Till now, anyone have any question? Anyone have any question?
No.
So history of Indian cuisine goes all the way back to 7000 BCE when sesame, eggplant and cattle were familiarized. Eggplant क्या होता है? अक्षय?
ब्रिंजल का
हाँ जी बादल बोलिए।
जी सर।
ब्रिंजल ब्रिंजल
Brinjal. Good, good. ठीक है, good, right answer. From the place to place, 3000 BCE, the spices turmeric, cardamom, pepper, and mustard were first used. ठीक है, तो spices कहाँ पे हमें सबसे ज्यादा मिलते हैं इंडिया में?
राजस्थान।
Yes, the right answer. And herbs?
केरला।
Yes. Good. When the incursions and new settlers came later, tomatoes, chilies, and potatoes became attached in the Indian diet. Okay, so anyone knows uh, from where we got a tomato and onion?
यूपी
हाँ जी,
उत्तर प्रदेश।
नहीं बेटा, खोज कहाँ हुई थी अनियन की, टोमेटो की? अक्षित
हाँ जी सर।
पता बेटा?
नहीं सर।
मेक्सिको।
अच्छा।
हाँ, तो इंडिया में यूज सबसे ज्यादा चीजें यूज होने वाली वो इंडिया में ही नहीं पाई, वी गॉट इट फ्रॉम मेक्सिको।
ओके सर।
About 1000 BC, many outsiders came in India, and the people of Mohenjo-daro were pushed to the South India. This was the time the roots of Hinduism and the caste system developed at this point. Caste system developed at this point, dividing food habits of the people by caste. The Brahmins being mostly vegetarian, for example. ठीक है, so you have seen the Brahmins, अभी भी जो ओरिजिनल ब्राह्मीन्स हैं, ओरिजिनल बोल सकते हैं या ब्राह्मीण हैं, सॉरी ओरिजिनल को बोल रहा हूँ, ब्राह्मीन्स हैं, दोज आर मोस्टली नॉन वेजिटेरियंस। ठीक है, दे ईट ओनली द वेजिटेरियन फूड। ठीक है, if we see the Jainis who eat the food without meat, non vegetarian ही meat food जो है कंज्यूम करते हैं, plus which does not include onion and garlic. ठीक है, so in 1200 to 1500 AD was that period when many foreigners invaded India, and the main were the Mughals. ठीक है, so when the Mughal rules are started, ठीक है, you have heard about the Mughal rules. ठीक है, जो हम जो पंजाब में हैं वो पढ़ते रहे होंगे कि मुगल्स का सबसे पहले रूल था। ठीक है, हर पूरे इंडिया में। ठीक है, धीरे 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 जो ये एरिया है इसमें सिखिज्म का रूल आया, उसके बाद जो है ब्रिटिशर्स का रूल आया। ठीक है, तो मुगल रूल्स की जब एंट्री होगी, सो मुगल्स दोज हु हैव कंज्यूम द मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ नॉन वेज फूड। ठीक है, इंडियन कुजीन इन्फ्लुएंस कहाँ से हुई है? ग्रीक, इजिप्टियंस, रोमन्स, पुर्तगीज, मंगोलियन, ब्रिटिशर्स, ठीक है, and more other in ancient times. The variety in the Indian cuisine has been originated on the basis of these invasions. It is said that the Indian cooking style came up by the mixture of many cultures and traditions as belief. The invasion somehow brought changes to the Indian cooking style. It is and to its cuisine. When invasion happened, it brought a revolution to Indian culinary subcontinent. ठीक है, तो अलग अलग ट्रेडिशंस जो हैं वो धीरे धीरे जो है केम टू नो हुए एंड according to the influence of Greek, Egyptians, Romans, Portuguese, Mongolian and Britishers. ठीक है, मैं लॉन्चिंग अ पोल, प्लीज आंसर, मेक श्योर जो है सभी आंसर्स हैं. %93 student participated. Make sure कि 100% रहे. So who gave the answer of Chandigarh? That's why I'm asking the read the question carefully and answers as well. Then take the right answer. Anyone have any question till now? So starting with the Greek influence, it's a gifted Indian subcontinent with a collection of many ingredients for cooking such as olive and lemon. Chef Raja, mute yourself. Greek also introduced us to the many other spices like garlic and the other herbs like oregano, basil, mint, and thyme. Okay. Greece also contribute Indian cuisine with vegetables such as eggplant and zucchini. ठीक है, तो make sure कि आपको याद रहे. You may get the question in the MSTs. Vegetables came from Greek, ठीक है, और spices came from Greek. Next is Portuguese influence. Portuguese has also contributed to Indian cookery with exotic fruits, roots such as potato, टोमेटो, पंपकिन, ऑबर्जन, कैश्यू नट्स। ठीक है, ऑबर्जन क्या होता है अभी? सैफ राजा,
Yes.
व्हाट इज ऑबर्जन?
Don't know, sir.
बेटा सामने है आपके आंसर उसका, ब्रिंजल। ठीक है, ब्रिंजल्स हैव देयर ओन वैरायटीज, तो वन इज एग प्लांट एंड सेकंड वन इज ऑबर्जन। चिलीज, papaya, passion fruit, okay, pineapple and guava. Various herbs such as coriander, red and dried types of chilies, garlic, turmeric and vinegar. पुर्तगीज जो कुजीन्स हैं वो इंडिया में कहाँ फेमस है? दैट इज अ गोवा, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज गोआन कुजीन। ओके, so Goan cuisine also have their own influence in the Indian cooking. Okay, the base of the Goan cuisine also is coconut. Next is Mongolian cuisines. Okay, the influence of the Mongolian cuisine is in some states of India. That is a northeastern part, includes Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Assam, and Meghalaya of India, where food is not prepared in a rich method and neither many ingredients are used. ठीक है, बहुत simplest method है and more जो ingredients ज़्यादा use नहीं होते। Frying and steaming are the most famous method of cooking in this region. ठीक है, तो आपको क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है in 2 marks. Frying and steaming are the most method of cooking in dash region, or dash and dash are the most famous method of cooking in the Mongolian cuisine. ठीक है, so Mongolian people are influenced by Eastern India cuisine by sweets and desserts. Mustard oil was another famous ingredient influenced by the Mongolian invaders. So next is Britishers. What they gave to the Indian cuisine is cinnamon and ginger. Okay, so English pork chops, which are usually marinated in spices and chilies, soup and salad became the part of Indian menu in their era. ठीक है, so Britishers जो influence है, they give a very good things to the India. ठीक है, तो अभी भी जो डेवलपमेंट है वो ब्रिटिशर्स के टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा हुई है, सो दे गिव मोर मेनी थिंग्स टू द इंडिया। ठीक है, सो इन द if we talk about the cooking, what they gave is in the Indian menu, that is chili soup and salads. ठीक है, they also influence the snacks of Indian cuisine by sponge cake, lemon curd, tartar, cucumber, sandwich, and favorite of Britishers, which are contributed to Indian subcontinent. ठीक है, तो सैंडविच भी इन्फ्लुएंस कहाँ का है? ब्रिटिश का। ओके, तो ब्रिटिशर्स गेव अस अ सैंडविच। Now there are many concepts of food in India. The first most popular in Mumbai is dabbe wala. ठीक है, some people who start their business as dabbe wala, what they do is they prepare a food. ठीक है, some of people cook their lunch, dinner or breakfast to that person. ठीक है, तो बहुत नॉमिनल चार्जेस हैं। ठीक है, आई हैव सीन पर्सनली व्हेन आई लिव इन मुंबई फॉर 6 months. ओके, तो सीधा फूड पैक करना और उसको फूड जो है वो डिलीवर कर देना। ठीक है, now next is langars. It is very well known temple food. Okay, ideas accepted out in gurdwaras wherein the people from any caste can come and cook food for devotees. ठीक है, सो कास्टिज्म बिल्कुल जो नहीं है anyone from any caste allowed to cook the food, to eat the food, ठीक है, without any cost. Doesn't matter if he is the Maharaja of the country, president of the country, or prime minister whatsoever. Nothing, doesn't matter. They have to sit on the floor, on the mat floor, then eat food with all the people. Okay. Next is Wazwan. Wazwan is the famous from Kashmir. Okay. The I have added one photograph you have seen. तो एक सिंगल एक लाइन में जो है वो आग जल रही है. They cook food on the same. ठीक है, अलग अलग जो यूटेंसिल्स में जो खाना बन रहा है. नॉन वेजिटेरियन डिशेस कंटेन ऑफ एसेंशियल पार्ट of not only the diet of Kashmiri, somewhat a banquet, also considered a sign of extravagant hospitality. Non-vegetarian dishes dominate in an official feast, that is Wazwan. A distinctive Wazwan meal contains of not more than 1 or 2 vegetarian dishes. Okay. Kashmir cuisine does not pay much care to the sweets as an alternative and essential part of the meal is kahwa or green tea used to wash down a meal. ठीक है, तो starter is the kahwa or a green tea. Mostly kahwa is the people of Kashmir used to take. ठीक है, तो वाजवान जो पूरा है उसमें जो है वेजिटेरियन डिशेज है सॉरी, उसमें बहुत जो है वो कम रोल पे, 1 और 2 वेजिटेरियन डिशेज होगी. रेस्ट ऑफ द फूड इज नॉन वेजिटेरियन, which includes mutton, okay, lamb meat, and as well as beef. Now next is thali concept. Okay, you have seen a thali concept in Punjab also, or in any where in India. Okay, so what is the thali concept main is might be like we have a single portion of dal, single portion of paneer or a chicken, or okay, single portion of dry vegetables, ठीक है, a sweet dish and a rice, roti, pickle, okay, salad, ठीक है, रायता, ठीक है. तो ये थाली कॉन्सेप्ट है और आपको एक सिंगल जो यू हैव टू पे अ सिंगल अमाउंट, ठीक है, फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ठीक है, एंड देन हैव इट. You have seen in the Amritsar also. Now next is essential spices. That is a very important. There are very spices or herbs that is used in the cooking to give a good flavor. Okay, what is that? That is a hing. Okay, so what is the role of hing is asafoetida. In English we call as asafoetida. What is the hing is it is used to give a good flavor and digestion. ठीक है, तो डाइजेशन भी उसकी सही होगी तो और गुड फ्लेवर भी देगी. इन साउथ इंडियन कुजीन मोस्टली ऑल डिशेस, ठीक है ना, तो सब में उसमें जो है दे यूज्ड एसोफेटिडा, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज तेज पत्ता. It is used to flavor not the same curries and rice. The leaves are aromatic with a minor clue of the smell of cinnamon. The leaves are first browned in the oil and increase the aroma. ठीक है, तो you have seen the तेज पत्ता. They use a simply, अगर हम formally अब जीरा राइस बना रहे हैं या we are making a soup or we are making a tomato gravy, तो when we boil the same, ठीक है, उसमें cinnamon जो तेज पत्ता है उसमें ऐड कर दो. Next is carom seeds. Carom seeds also used to flavor and digestion. Cinnamon is used, that is a dry stem of tree, okay, used to flavor. ठीक है, तो Indian cuisine as well as in साउथ इंडियन कुजीन इन बेकरी, ठीक है, सर्वल जो है यूज होती है। सेफरन, that is kesar, that is used to give a good flavor and color to the dishes. Anyone have any question till now?
No, sir.
Answer this poll. So if 2% student participated, please make sure you may mark absent if you are not participating. ठीक है, तो मेरे पास इसके बाद लिस्ट आ जाएगी। Those who gave answer, only those student will be marked as a present. ठीक है, doesn't matter उन्होंने सारी क्लास लगाई है, but if they don't give the whole answers, then he or she will be marked as absent. ठीक है, so answer is true. To get the more taste from the main dishes, mostly North Indians used onions and coriander at the same time as Southerns use a more exotic coconut base for their dishes. That is, answer is true. Now, next is dry chili, red dry chili. So there is a dry red chili that is called Bhoot Chulakkiya. That is the most spiced chili in the world. ठीक है, भूत जलकिया बहुत ज्यादा स्पाइसी होती है। And now next is mustard seeds. Okay, mustard seeds used in the mostly in the South Indian cuisines. ठीक है, so from the mustard seeds we got the mustard oil. ठीक है, now next is cloves, is also give a strong flavor to the dish. ठीक है, Nagori chilies are added to preparation of lal mas. Okay, lal mas is a dish from the Rajasthan. ठीक है, most a red color dish. To get the more flavor of the lal mas, you have to use desi ghee in their tadka. ठीक है, This Mathani chilies, Mathani red chili of Jodhpur is famous for its reddish color. It is famous not only throughout the India but abroad also. ठीक है, तो मथानी चिली का have their own more red color. ठीक है. Now next is coriander seeds. We use the coriander seeds as the seeds also, as the minimum crushed seeds also, and powder also. ठीक है. It is used in a कढ़ाई मसाlas, garam masalas. ठीक है. There are several, we have several masalas like kitchen king, dal makhani. ठीक है, राजमा मसाला, मिक्स वेज मसाला. मोस्टली द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ दैट मसालास इज कोरिएंडर सीड्स. ठीक है, और कोरिएंडर पाउडर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कुकिंग टेक्निक्स. ठीक है, इन इंडिया वी हैव अ मेनी ऑफ कुकिंग टेक्निक्स. फर्स्ट वन इज तड़का. टेक्निक इज मोस्टली यूज्ड टू गेट इंस्टेंट फ्लेवर. It helps to add flavor to the dish with a flash kind of sound. Spices and herbs are added to hot oil, ghee with abstract and holds the aroma, flavor, essence of spices and herbs. ठीक है. So what we can do is अब तड़का we are using the main method of the cooking in Indian food is that is तड़का. ठीक है. वो किस चीज का हो सकता है? माइट बी ओनली ऑफ अनियन, ओनली ऑफ जिंजर गार्लिक, ओनली ऑफ टमाटोज. ठीक है, और ऑल द थिंग्स, जिंजर गार्लिक, अनियंस, टमाटोज. ठीक है. सो द मोस्ट कॉमन मेथड इज तड़का. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is balsrao, mostly used in Goan cuisine, influenced by Portuguese, where the vegetables and seafood like prawns and balsrao with vinegar, sugar and spices are kept for 2 days. ठीक है. So Goan cuisine में mostly ये method of cooking use होता है and food technique use होती है. What they can do is they जो है marinated with vinegar, sugar and spices and kept for 2 days. Then they used for the cooking. Next is भुनाव, that I'm already आपको जो है practicals में दिखाते हैं कि अच्छे से उसको जो है कुक करो. ठीक है. भुनाव means that is cook it properly. When the oil leaks aside. ठीक है. Next is dhungar, that is smoke seasoning. Akshit. Akshit. Nitish Kumar, 786 roll number.
हाँ जी सर, आपने बोला.
हाँ जी बेटा. बेटा स्मोक सीजनिंग कैसे करते हैं?
स्मोक सीजनिंग
यस.
सर पता नहीं.
So what we can do is when we cook food या we जैसे marinate अगर हमने किया तो smoke seasoning हमने करनी है. So what you can do is get a bowl, add charcoal into it, burned charcoal. ठीक है, जो जला हो, charcoal into it, add some of 1 or 2 number of cloves and then add a small teaspoon of desi ghee. ठीक है, then cover it and kept for a few minutes. ठीक है. So उसमें किसके उसके साथ क्या होगा? You may the coal flavor got into the food. ठीक है. Next is frying, that is talna, is a process of cooking food there are different methods of frying, that is deep fry and shallow fry. ठीक है, deep fry means when we cook food into the dip of oil, ठीक है ना, purely उसको dip कर दो. And the shallow fry is when we use some little number of हम बोल सकते हैं यहाँ little quantity of जो है oil अगर हम use करते हैं, oil, ghee, whatsoever, that is called as shallow frying. Next is dum steaming. Dum steaming is mostly used in the Avdi cuisine. ठीक है, so dum food जो उसमें बनता है, that is called as a dum cuisine. I will show you one video regarding the dum. Okay. शाही परंपराओं की दुनिया की उसकी खास इसीलिए आज हम लोग आए
गुलाब वर्दी कुरैशी पिछले 30-35 साल से हम उसमें काम कर रहा हूँ. मैं आज आपको एक की डिश बना के दिखा रहा हूँ. उस डिश के बारे में चचा गालिब ने शेयर कहा था, मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ. बेखुदी बेसबब की गालिब उस है जिसकी पर्दादारी है. मैं आपको ये चाप से पर्दा हटा के आपको बना के इसकी एक चीज बनती है. सारे मसाले जो है खाली बॉडी से खरीद के लाते हैं आपको उसमें, और जो फाइनेस्ट क्वालिटी के मसाले होते हैं उससे हम चाप मैरिनेट करके 1 घंटा रख दीजिए. ये तवे में डाल रहा हूँ आपको तरह से. अब मैं इसमें चाप ग्रिल करूंगा. पहले ये चाप ग्रिल होगी, उसके बाद ये माइक्रोवेव कम होगी. फाइनल स्टेज है इसके कम पे लगाना है. इसको 3 में कम होगा. जरा से ऑयल डाला मैंने इसमें, और जरा से पानी इसलिए कि मतलब ये स्टीम बनाएगा पानी चलाने के लिए. ये देखिए चाप इसको लगा दूंगा. अब मैं इसको आटा लगा के सील कर दूंगा. इसके ऊपर कम करने के लिए चाप डालना होगा. इसका कोला काफी है, ये अपने आप ही स्टीम बना देगा कोला. और जूसी और टेस्टी होगा.
The duck means to be cooked is to go. No chandika. Within the family art of Africa, complement the grand cuisine of India. One of my personal favorites is a Soviet map of New Zealand, which I believe was made completely surveyed with Chima Ganesha, one of the signature appetizers of town.
We have seen how the dum cooking is to be done. ठीक है, so importance of dum cooking is it give a more flavor to the food. ठीक है, it is also known as slow cooking. ठीक है, so you may have a patience level बहुत ज़्यादा होना चाहिए for the dum cooking. Okay. So now there are for several festivals. Poll launch किया, kindly answer. So 11 students gave a right answer and 10 students gave a wrong answer. So right answer is 7,000 beasts. Now there is a last poll. That is a multiple choice question. So ये सारे इंडिया के ही फेस्टिवल हैं. All answers are right. India have many festivals like Dussehra, Diwali, Eid, Holi, etc. And the varieties of food have been served in the particular festival. Okay. So in Indian cuisine, the conclusion is the Indian cuisine have a vast number of dishes, which in the if we talk about meal, that's including in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, every state have their own specialty in the number of dishes, the types of dishes, and the sweet dishes, main course, breakfast, etc. Like in Amritsar, we have Amritsar is popular for the breakfast and snacks. The breakfast mostly is the Amritsari kulcha. ठीक है? And Indian cuisine have a different gravies from which we prepare the different food. Like we have a makhani gravy, green gravy. Makhani gravy is made from tomatoes, cashew nuts, okay, melon seeds, onions, okay, and different types of spices. Then green gravy is made from a spinach or a saag. Chop masala is made from equal quantity of tomatoes and onions, adding the ginger garlic paste. Okay, yellow gravy is made from cashew nuts, turmeric, onions. Okay, white gravy is made from cashew nuts, melon seeds. Okay, okay. So there are different types of gravies. Okay, with the help of those gravies, we prepared an Indian food. The end. Anyone have any question? Any student have any question? Okay. So kindly ask some questions whenever the teacher asks. ठीक है? और be attentive in your online class and be regular. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.